Hello, my name is Riju Mandal and my roll number is 20EE10060, and today I am going to open this CPU as we can see here, and there is nothing much to unscrew in this back part. So let's start this. Now this is our CPU, this is a Voltan CPU, and yes, we can see that here we have this thing is this is a converter from AC to DC, and you can see from close this AC input is 230 volt, AC input is 230 volt and 6 ampere or 3 ampere with 50 to 60 hertz supply. Then we have this output, DC output 25 to 50 watt, 300 watt, 400 and 450. Now this is our main power source, and this is connected to the power supply from here. As we can see, this thing is where we connect the power, and this the back, this is the back of the CPU, and here we have many ports. This all we can see, this for connecting different devices to the CPU, and that's it. And this is our power connector. Here we will connect the power of AC voltage, and this is our converter. This will convert from AC to DC, and it will supply inside this circuit. And as we can see, we have inside this circuit, this is the DVD driver or this CD driver something. Now this, we can see the CD driver from here. Sorry, and this is that CD driver. Here we'll put our CD or DVD something, and it will take inside. And this, here we have that driver. This is that CD driver. And one more, we have the main component or the PCB. This is a printed circuit board, and over which we have many microprocessors. And after that we have this is the hard drive of in this we store the data. This you can see, this is the hard drive. And now coming to the power connection. Now in this we have the main 23-pin power connection from this converter. Yes, 23-pin power converter. Now this goes and connects to the CPU in the PCB at this port. You can see this port. At this port it will connect. Now you can see, sorry, it will be like this. It has got connected. It has got connected. And similarly we have this 4-pin power connector. This is a 4-pin power connector. This is connected over here in the same microprocessor, in the PCB again. And this is that extension. If we have some damage, we can use it. And again, this power connector is connected. And this power connector is connected to this this power connector from here. It is connected to the DVD driver. Here I can't show this properly, but here it is one more port is connected to the DVD driver, and the other is connected to the converter. And at last the one more power connector is connected to the converter. From the converter to this is the cord, and it connects the DVD driver. As we can see here, it has connected the DVD driver in this. So we have total 4 connections from the power converter. Now coming to this hard drive. This hard drive stores the data, and it has only 2 connections with the circuit. First one is the power connection, and the second one is the data bus. And this helps to transfer the data to the to this printed circuit board, or to process the data. So generally the data is stored here, and we use this data bus to supply the data to our microprocessor. And then that's it for the driver. And after the driver we have this disk drive. In this disk drive also we have only 2 connections. One is power connection, as I mentioned earlier, and secondly this black wire, we can see this black wire is connected from the DVD driver to again this PCB printed circuit. And you can see here this black wire is connected. This driver is also having only 2 connections. One is with the power connector, and another is this what is this called, bus, serial bus. Now coming to the main component of this CPU. This is the remove this. So here, yeah. So now we remove this. Now we can see this clearly. Now this is our main component of the CPU. This is the printed circuit board, and we can see this is the place where we will place our RAM. This yellow thing here, we will place our RAM card, and we will just keep it here. This is for RAM, and this is all we know. This is the cooler. So now this, we'll remove this cooler first, so it will be more clear. Yeah. So this cooler is cool. This cooler is connected by only one this power cord. So whenever we'll start, this cooler will also get started, and we'll remove this for now. Now this is the cooler. Now this cooler has a specific design. See this cooler from side, and from side it has only two openings. This side and this side it has no opening. Means from here air cannot pass. From here one more opening. So it can cool only this side and this side. So that's it for the cooler. We'll keep it aside. After that we have this main circuit board. Now we can see this 3-volt battery. It is just used for like the CPU will be off so that we should not miss that time, and that should not change. So this battery will be running the clock. After that we have said already this is for RAM, and this is the main power supply to the PCB, and there's many microprocessors and capacitor, something is many things are there. That much is I don't know. So now here we have this connections. This first one is this I have already said. This is the data bus from the hard drive to the PCB, and this is again the serial bus from the DVD driver to the PCB. And after that we have this over here. Now here we have this wires. So first of all, this is for this. See, we can see this wire. This wire is connected over here. And this is for USB input. Like here we can see we can connect our here we can connect our here we can connect our mouse or some USB something like keyboard, something we can connect. And this is the main power switch. If we'll press it, it will get started. And this is the power switch connection, this orange and white, this which I am holding, and it is connected to the circuit, to the respective place. And after that we have this LED, this white green, this thing is connected to the LED, which will blink when we'll start it. And finally this is the same wires we have. And that's it for the CPU. Thank you.